ಚಿನ್ನದಂತ ನೆನಪುಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಭೀಮದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟ್ಟ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24x7. ಇದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದ ಪ್ರತಿಬಿಂಬ.
So now I request all the resource persons of all the bank to come over the dais. I request C.S.S. Nayak sir to come on the dais, please. Shri Ganesh Bandari, Shri Srinivas S. Dandapur, Shri Ramesh Kanade, Shri Narasimha Kumar R, Sanjay Kumar Singh, Suchet D'Souza, Vaisak, Rudraswamy and Gayatri Anil Kumar. Please come on the dais, sir. Thank you. Dear friends, it is one of its kind program. Nowhere you can see the bankers of various banks and are coming and seated on the dais in the same place. You can ask any of your doubts at the end and get it clarified. All our zonal level managers, general managers, you can ask any of your doubts. Town is having its focus on town hall that is happening today in Prerana Hall of Indian Red Cross Association. Mangalore Productivity Council in association with Rotary Club of Mangalore Central is organizing this MPC Rotary Coastal MSME and Startup Conclave 2025. Udyame Naivahi Krantihi, revolutionizing the entrepreneurship. Dear friends, I think just now I have written a 4-line poem now of today's incident. It's privilege, Nayak sir. It's privilege to introduce Nayak because 2 Nayaks I introduced before. Now I am introducing another Nayak. It's a privilege privilege in introducing Nayaks. That is my today's Kayak, who is not just Nayak, they are Prerak and also MSME Poshak. So now we have the moderator S.S. Nayak, who is popularly acclaimed as Nani Palikwala of Mangalore. His wonderful authored books, Words of Wise, More Words of the Wise, Wise of the Words of the Wise, and also Voices of the Wise latestly it has come out to the market. He has been KBL Nitte Lifetime Achievement Awardee, Lifetime Achievement Award for Mentoring MSME and Startups, Nitte KBL MSME Ratna Award, MSME Savyasachi Award, 13 MSME conclaves, and this is going to be the 14th conclave he has organized in the entire nooks and corners of South India, and we are about to approach North India soon. Karnataka Rajyotsava Award have been awarded to him in 2021. Samaja Ratna Award by Krishna Temple Udupi, Basavashri National Award, Akka Sammelana held in USA in 2018. He was one of the addressee there. Harsha Varada Vyakti by All India Radio, star of GSB. Like this, there are many more. If we speak, then town hall will not happen. Hence, I am stopping here and allowing sir to continue and take the town hall to the next level. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. No voice. All are sleeping. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Oh, thank you. It gives me immense pleasure to sit with host of renowned bankers and our Mangalore's icon company, Navaratna company, MRPL, GM Ganesh Bandari, and also senior manager from National Small Industries Corporation, Mr. Rudraswamy, and all others are bankers. You may be surprised why bankers are here. Normally what happens, in any exhibition, customers will put the stall and others will shop. Correct? If you don't talk, I cannot continue. Yes or no? Yes. But this our MSME conclave has unique features. Bankers will put to stall and all customers should shop. So that is the great event of this, because ಹುಡುಗಿ ಚಂದ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಕಡೆಯವರು ತಾನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನೆಂಟಸ್ಟಿಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಚಂದ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ blood is lifeline in anybody's body, finance is lifeline of any business, right? Without finance nothing happens. Morning pre-lunch session, our CA GB Modi, great orator and great speaker, he has spoken about central sector subsidies. Then CA Sanket Naik spoke about Karnataka industrial policy and Karnataka tourism policy. All these governments, they extend subsidies. They will give subsidy only when you take the loan from these banks. So first, who should initiate? Bankers should initiate. Based on that only we will get subsidy from the bank in normal course. Otherwise 100% if you put also you will get in some cases investment subsidy, that is different thing. But in normal case, that's why money is very, 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 very vital in everyone's life and everybody's business, right? If you don't answer, I cannot continue. Is it correct? In Chanakya Niti, Chanakya told, Vittena hinam purusham tyajanti dharascha putrascha sahodarascha samvittavantam punareva yanti vittam loke purushasya bandhuhu. Arthat, Vittena hinam purusham tyajanti, if you don't have money, everybody will reject you. Who are all they? Dharascha, may it be wife. Putrascha, may it be children. Sahodarascha, may it be your siblings. Samvittavantam punareva yanti. Suppose you win lottery, money, you got money, or you got some ancestral property, sold and got money. Then Samvittavantam punareva yanti. All these people are your close friends. Okay? That's why who is your close relative? Vittam hi loke purushasya bandhuhu. That means money is your close relative. Now, next to you, better than your close relative, for any businessman, bank is the closest relative. Let us give a big round of applause to all these bankers. They have come here to meet you, to greet you and to fund you. Correct, no sir? All are agreeable. See, it takes lot of time to take appointment of all these great bankers. It is not easy to meet them. Now, they have come to us to deliberate their schemes and discuss about what are all the expectations from the borrowers. Any bankers, what they expect from the borrowers. So that's why one by one I will just introduce now. First of all, let me introduce, you can stand and just acknowledge your this. Shri Ganesh Bhandari, General Manager Materials, MRPL. So he is into, you might have heard public procurement policy of public sector enterprises. All of you should know. That I will not take away his subject now, then I will just add on. Okay, he is here to deliberate and we are proud that he is the son of our most famous and renowned, most popular mayor Sadashiva Bhandari. You might have heard his proud son. You are welcome to this MSME town hall. Then we have with us Shri Narasimha Kumar. So he is a DGM and regional head, Union Bank of India, Mangaluru. He will tell his Shakti, which is the Shakti. Okay, later on we will discuss. Then we have with us Shri Srinivas S. Dandapur, DGM Credit from Karnataka Bank Head Office, our family bank across India. So you are also welcome to our program. Then we have with us Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, Assistant General Manager, MSME, Canara Bank Circle Office, Mangaluru. You are also welcome. Then we have with us Shri Ramesh Kanade, DGM, Bank of Baroda, Zonal Office, Mangaluru. Sir, you are also welcome to our show. By mistake, I am telling show because every time I am hosting TV shows. That's why. Then we have with us Shri H. Rudraswamy, National Small Industries Corporation. How they help MSMEs? Because National Small Industries Corporation is the arm of the Ministry of MSMEs. They are hand-holding and supporting MSMEs. Then we have with the young, energetic and smart regional head of Bank of Maharashtra, Mr. Suchet D'Souza, Bank of Maharashtra, Hubli Zone Regional Head. Then we have with us young, enterprising, smart, smiling and most eligible bachelor, Shri Vaizag M. Nair, Assistant Manager, Small Industries Development, Bank of India. You might have heard now, CDB has opened recently branch in Mangaluru. And we have with us Mrs. Gayatri Anil Kumar. She represents Shamra Vittal Cooperative Bank. It is even the cooperative bank, it is a scheduled bank. They are competing equally with all the nationalized and other big banks. So you are all welcome to our show today. Now, lot of issues our customers face. Question and answer we will keep at the end. Let us start from one by one so that we will have clarity. Before starting funding, now marketing is also important for any business. Correct now? 5 C's. Okay? That I will, if I explain it will become still late. So for marketing, public sector undertaking supply is one of the very niche market for all MSMEs, and MSMEs payment also now act has been passed to make payment within specified date. Can you just throw light, Shri Ganesh Bhandari, what are the public sector, public procurement policy of PSUs? Can you just brief? Then I will come to specific MRPL later.
Thank you, SS Naik sir, for inviting. Especially from procurement section, he just told to just brief about some of the policies and whatever the opportunities available for MSME, sir. Thank you very much. And also thank you for upgrading our organization to Maharatna. Basically we are a mini Ratna company, but still thank you, and we strive towards that.
You are already married to an ONGC, no?
Yes, definitely. So in future, definitely there is a scope that we will upgrade to Maharatna. Coming to the public procurement policy, public procurement policy for MSMEs basically. So as per that, all public procurement, all PSUs or government and the respective departments, minimum 25% of their procurement they have to do from MSEs, because a lot of focus is there on MSMEs because they are the backbone of our particular economy. More than 30-35% of our GDP contributed by MSMEs. That's why a lot of emphasis is given on MSEs. That's why 25% of our procurement has to go from MSEs. And the last few years, we are striving hard to procure our goods and services from MSEs. And last year, we have achieved more than 40-45% of our procurement. In spite of the target is 25%. Last year, we procured nearly around 3,000 crores of goods and services in MRPL. That is excluding crude procurement. All materials which is required for operation and maintenance and other services, 3,000 crores. In that, nearly 1,200 crore comes from MSEs. Out of that subcategories, in order to include inclusivity and diversity, government has told this 4% has to come from MSE SCSTs and 3% from MSE women entrepreneurs. So few years we are finding it very difficult because there are some scarcity of vendors, especially in these areas. So we are getting only the general vendors, but we are finding it very tough. But we have taken it as a challenge. And last year, we could able to find out more than 100 entrepreneurs in basically women entrepreneurs. And last year we met this 3% target of public procurement. We are finding it difficult for MSc, SC, ST vendors. Again, hardly out of 3,200 vendors we are having in MSCs, hardly 50 vendors are SC, ST vendors. So we are conducting a lot of vendor meets and other programs in order to help them out, encourage them to participate in our tenders.
Thank you. Now, National Small Industries Corporation. What is your role and how you are supporting MSME entrepreneurs? Can you tell in brief?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರುದ್ರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ. NSIC ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇವತ್ತು. NSIC ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 70 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ NSIC ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ತಗೊತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಉಪಯೋಗ ತಗೊತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ NSICದು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಟಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 25,000 crore ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು 2 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು MSME ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ. ನಮಗೆ NSICಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನೀವು MSMEಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು MSMEs ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಕೇ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, MSMEs ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ NSIC ಫಾರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಅವ್ರ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರು ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್. ಆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಎನಿ PSU, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ KTTP ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ EMD. ಅರ್ನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮನಿ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 years ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದು ಬಂದಾಗ MSMEಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೋದೇನು, ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಲು, RINL, ನ್ಯಾಲ್ಕೋ, ಬಾಲ್ಕೋ, ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಟು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ MOU ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು MSMEಯಿಂದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ NSIC ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೇಟ್ಗಿಂತ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ರೇಟ್. ಅದು ಆದ ನಂತರ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ MOU ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ MOU ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು MSME ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟನ್ನ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ MSMEಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ರೇಟ್ಗಿಂತ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4 to 5 ರೂಪಿ ಲೆಸ್ಸೇ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ 1 kgಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಬಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಇದು ಬಂದು 2 ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 180 days. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. I'll take another 2 minutes, sir. Yes. ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಡನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು MOU ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಡನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Fortune 500 ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ MOU ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರೋದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರು NSSE ಥ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 17 to 18% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 8 ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ, ಬರೀ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 60,000 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದರೆ 33-35,000ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಥ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹೋದರೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು B2B ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆಬ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಟೆಂಡರ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ PSU ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟಿದಾಗಲಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಡರ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಡಿಷನ್ನು. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ONDC ಜೊತೆ MOU ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. MSME ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದೇಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಗ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 1 by 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡೀಸ್. MSME ಅವರು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಯಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1.5 lakhs ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಂಬರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 80% ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ SC ST ಆರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 100% ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೇಜರ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್, ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ ಇರೋದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
We have with us stalwart banker and a banker from bank started from Mangaluru, that is Canara Bank. Earlier they used to have tagline of growing to serve and serving to grow. Now it has been redefined as together we can. So Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh is the AGM in MSME Circle Office Mangalore. Can you please brief about your flagship products? General products everybody will have. Flagship products. अभी कोई भी एक होटल में जाएगा तो कौन सा अच्छा एक आपका स्पेशल मेनू पूछता है ऐसा. Okay? Can you just brief about it? All brief is better. They will put when you speak that Canara Bank's whatever flagship product they will hear. Please.
Thank you, Nayak sir, and very good evening to all of you. The most esteemed entrepreneur of Mangalore. As Nayak sir has told, Canara Bank is the origin from Mangalore, and we thank all of you that with the support of you people, Canara Bank is having around 26% share in as far as total business is concerned in Mangalore. So, and as far as MSME is concerned, we are having some 4,000 crore business.
Statistic nahi chahiye, scheme boliye.
Yeah, so just because of that, I would like to thank all of you for your support. Now, as sir has told, we are having so many schemes for our MSME customers. Different names are there, but like the most important is GST scheme, Canara GST we call it, and in this Canara GST scheme, we finance 25% of your GST turnover of your last year. So it's a very hassle-free, very competitive rate of interest, and the collateral is also is a minimum because it is based on your GST past track record. So that is why we all the people who are paying GST, they can directly get this benefit.
What is the minimum collateral you are insisting?
Minimum collateral is 50%.
Okay.
50% of the total limit.
Otherwise, CGTMSC coverage.
CGTMSC coverage is not available in this scheme.
Canara GST scheme.
Canara GST scheme, CGTMSC coverage is not there.
Okay.
So other schemes are also there. It is a Canara Star scheme. Here also collateral coverage is 50% only. But it is the general. It is not specific for this purpose. That all the entrepreneur can get this. It is a very basic schemes of Canara Bank. Then we are having a very good scheme for Mahila. That is we call Canara Mahila scheme. Canara Mahila Vikas. Here we are having a loan quantum from 10 lakhs rupees to 5 crore with a margin of 20%. So here this scheme is we can cover in CGT MSc.
Okay.
Yeah. So another scheme that is very relevant for Mangalore because it is a tourism very much developing here and nearby that places also like Chikmagaluru, Medicare and all. So Canara MSME in here the collateral minimum collateral is required is only 25%. Only 25% collateral requirement is there, and the wherever the amount goes up to 5 crore, the collateral requirement is little bit more, but that can be covered under CGT MSc also. So likewise, so many because today is all are MSME only, and for everybody, for all entrepreneur, all kind of activities, Canara Bank is having their own schemes. So this is what, as far as schemes are concerned of Canara Bank. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Mr. Srinivas Dandapur, he is the DGM credit of Karnataka Bank, our family bank across India. Bharat ka Karnataka Bank. Now you are redefined. We are very proud that being a scheduled private sector bank, you are not lagging behind any of these schemes of the nationalized banks. Let us give a big round of applause to our bank, family bank across India, Karnataka Bank. Even though it is treated as private sector bank, it is as good as nationalized bank for all the schemes. So, can you just brief about what are all your flagship schemes?
Namaskara. First, I was very much impressed with Bandari sir's voice. It was like Amitabh Bachchan voice. So congratulations to you, sir. So like any other bank, we also have got many MSME products. Either it is equipment finance or vehicle finance or machinery finance, term loan, working capital and all. But we have got a mother of all products, that is KBL MSME. So all the working capital as well as term loans, including for CapEx or anything, is covered under our flagship program that is known as KBL MSME. So, and it is and the most important thing is that KBL MSME scheme, more than 80% of our loans are digitally underwritten. So within few minutes, you will be able to get an in-principle approval because everything is integrated through various APIs to either GST or your PAN and so many things. So entire our horoscope will come in few minutes. So that will help the bank to take faster decision and all. So over to Nayak sir for any other questions.
Now, right side of me is there India's international bank, Bank of Baroda. They have married recently to, Vadhu is from our Mangalore only, Vijaya Bank. They have married to Vijaya Bank also. And Kanade is the most dynamic executive in Bank of Baroda. I have been seeing him for the last 2 decades from his managership in Vijaya Bank as also very dynamic. Mr. Kanade, can you just speak about your flagship schemes of Bank of Baroda? And we should be very proud, the only Indian bank having more than 80 their branches in more than 80 establishments all over the world. That's why it is Indian International Bank. Let us give a big round of applause. They are catering not only Indians in India, they are catering Indians all over the world. Let us give a big round of applause.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to everyone. I'm very grateful for NAGSA for this wonderful introduction of me as well as my organization. Uh, as you know, MSME is the main pillar of Indian economy. It's almost giving more than 1/3 of the GDP.
Sir, only schemes,
So,
bank scheme,
then
no statistics.
then to cater to the various segments of MSME, be it a contractor, be it a manufacturing unit, be it a trading, engaged in trading activity, we have many products lined up. One amongst our flagship product is that is we call as a Baroda Property Pride. Under this segment, we give loan maximum up to from about 10 lakhs to 25 crore. It is basically a tailor-made product for basically a working capital. Term loan also we give, but majorly this is availed by way of working capital, be it a fund-based working capital or non-fund-based working capital. Margins depend upon the type of the security. We are giving up to anywhere between keeping a margin of 25% to 35% on the immovable property. And submission of stock statement and all those things are not mandatory. Drawing power is regulated based on the your value of the property. You need to just concentrate on business. No need to all these stock statements and hassle, all these hassles. So this is one of our flagship product. And next is we have a Baroda Premium Lab, which is given to all the MSMEs. Under this also some maximum amount is 25 crore, and repayment, it is basically a term loan, and repayment is a flexible repayment which is given up to 12 years. And here we are taking residential as well as commercial property as well. Then we have this product is a specific product for women entrepreneurs. It is known as Baroda Mahila Swavalamban scheme, wherein relaxed margins are there and rates are also goes as low as 8.25. So this then we have this is the product for our CV commercial vehicle segments, wherein we are funding up to maximum up to 30 crore. Then we have construction management equipment for purchase of construction of management equipment, especially for contractors and all. If required, we can give line of credit also when as and when they go for purchase of equipment. Now this product, which is especially very popular in this locality, Mangalore, we have very aggressive as far as supply chain finance is concerned. This is for all our auto dealers and other who are engaged in dealership. We are giving this supply chain finance hassle-free, totally automated, fully digitized. Then is this is for all solar projects and all those scheme rooftop rollers, and the maximum amount is up to 30 crores. Next we have Next we have, this is a very important product, and it is especially tailor-made for our civil contractors, be it mechanical contractor or electrical contractors, wherein we are taking collateral to the tune of 65%. Here also submission of stock statement and receivable statement is made annually. So this product is also very popular in our bank as well. And we have many more products for doctors, for education in institutions. So many are there. For education, we have Baroda Vidyasthali. For doctors, we have who want to construct hospitals, and we have Baroda Arogya Dham. For doctors who want to purchase any medical equipment, for that also we have a separate product. Other than that, we can have a custom designed products for each the customers whenever they come for working capital or for term finance. Thank you, sir.
One good thing I would like to inform you is that one of my clients wanted to purchase one industrial property adjacent to the property. They wanted loan within 7 days. I am surprised to know that being the nationalized bank, Bank of Baroda, they sanctioned within a short span of 4 days itself 6 crore loan. And I should thank Mr. Neeraj Kumar Singh. He was also there in that your what you call MSME. MSME? SME. Can you just stand? Mr. Neeraj Kumar Singh, he is the person, you can see him. He is CA Neeraj Kumar Singh, Chartered Accountant. So he can understand both customer side and banker side, because chartered accountants understand both sides. So thank you very much. Now we have with us good people to bank with. Can you say who are the bankers? Good people to bank with. Union Bank of India. They also married our own Vadu Corporation Bank. So we have given lot of Vadus to various banks. We should be very proud. Okay, can you give big round of applause for Mangalore giving Vadus to many banks? So Mr. Narasimha Kumar, most dynamic RM, DGM and regional head, recently taken charge in Mangaluru region, and he is very silent, but his action speaks louder than his voice. So even though he is Narasimha, but his action, his behavior is like Prahlada, not Narasimha. Okay. So when I interacted with him, I was felt very happy that he has been softly doing lot of business in Mangalore region, and thank you for sponsoring our this also, but you have done only co-sponsoring. Next time we will promote you. Okay. Okay. Now, Union Bank of India has lot of schemes. Out of that, most flagship scheme of Union Bank of India is Nari Shakti. Your Shakti is Nari Shakti. ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅದು. Up to 1 crore women entrepreneurs, they can take loan only with 5% margin. How much? 5% margin. If you have 5 lakhs, you can take 1 crore loan. And up to 10 crores only with 15% margin. And up to 2 crores, there is processing fees is also nil. But ಅದು ನೀವು ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವ್ರು ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಓವರ್ ಟು ನರಸಿಂಹ ಕುಮಾರ್ for your flagship schemes. Can you explain? Nari Shakti I have told you. Yes. Talk about others.
So thank you SS Naik sir and all the August gathering here on the dais and off the dais. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to represent my bank, which is basically very close to Mangalore, because it is Union Bank is now amalgamated after the merger of Corporation Bank as well. So Corporation Bank being very close to heart to the Mangaloreans, we also take pride of heading this region. So that, as Naik sir rightly told that, our main flagship product for the Union Bank of India is Nari Shakti product. So that is mainly designed for the woman entrepreneurs who are having a stakeholder of any company or a firm more than 51% stake. So the main attraction of the product is that we kept the margin very minimum, 5% only. And it starts from 2 lakh. Now it is not 10 crores, sir. There is no limit now, no upper limit. So you can take 100 crores also, we will give it at the margin of 15% only. So there is no upper limit, and very attractive rate of interest.
Collateral comfort also relaxed, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How much is that minimum?
Sir, that is, the collateral percentage is now 25%.
Okay, very
yes,
nice.
Yes. Collateral percentage is also reduced from 35% to 25%. So we have made it the most preferable scheme for all the women entrepreneurs, because Nari Shakti is the future of entrepreneurship in MSME in India. So apart from that, we have got one more scheme, MSME Suvidha, which is a convenience scheme for all the MSME entrepreneurs. So it doesn't differentiate any kind of a business. We services manufacturing and whatever the type of business, all purpose scheme for MSME. And of course, some of the banks are also having the similar schemes, that 25% margin for the equipments and 35% for the collaterals. We take the financial securities as well of the NSCs, LICs, depending upon the 10% margin.
Then Saral scheme, Suvidha, something is
that
there.
is the same. That is what I am telling, sir.
Okay.
MSME Suvidha only. So that is the above 10 lakhs and up to 50 crores. So we will give that. So that depending upon you can also take it as a working capital as well as the term loan also. So that is the very hassle-free loan. And apart from that, we have got a GST gain, similar to the earlier, the one of the banks have taken, that 25% of the turnover of your GST. And main attractive thing, USP of our scheme is that up to 50 lakhs you can do it sitting at your home only. It's a entirely digitalized straight-through processing way, and sitting at home you can take 50 lakhs loan through your phone or laptop. So entirely everything processing will be under sanctioning, and crediting, disbursement also will be happen sitting at your home, because the entire thing will be digitally processed based on your GST returns. Only thing is that your GST returns should be properly filed, and most of the GST avenues must have been routed through your bank account, which is linked to our bank. So then it will be very, very hassle-free loans. So apart from that, all the government schemes and everything, we are doing it. And to conclude, only one thing I would like to tell, that being a flagship scheme of Nari Shakti, I have contributed to that as a Alilu Seve, because that scheme, that brainchild of that scheme was originated at the place of Visakhapatnam, where I was the regional head. When our ex-managing director, Mani Meghalai madam, has come to the Visakhapatnam region, and she told that to organize the staff meet, the customer meet. But only one twist, she has told that none of the customers should be male, only woman entrepreneur I want to interact. So we have selected 35 women entrepreneur and made them sit in front of Mani Meghalai madam, and she interacted each and every woman entrepreneur, giving a very good time to them. Then while going back at the same evening, she told that, why can't we have one scheme, Nari Shakti scheme, and we will open the Nari Shakti branches also. So we have got all over India 5 Nari Shakti branches.
Okay, no statistics, only
Yes.
scheme. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
No stories, no statistics. Now,
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Now, one thing I would like to say, you are not told, but I will connect it. Say, don't get disappointed, all men. I think you got disappointed only for Nari Shakti. No, women includes men, we men included in women. Correct now? In women entrepreneurship is very simple, 51% women and 49% can be men. If you want to stand up with your wife, you can stand like this, and anyhow you are taller, but in that case, wife will be taller, husband will be little bit not tall. So that is the thing. Women entrepreneurship means need not be 100% woman. It can be 51% woman and 49% can be men. Correct now? Thank you. Now, Mr. Suchet D'Souza, family bank. One family, one bank. Bank of Maharashtra. Correct now? So, even though they are Bank of Maharashtra, Mr. Suchet D'Souza is the very dynamic personality. He was in Mangalore branch, heading the bank, Mangalore branch as a chief manager. Now he has been elevated as a regional head of Hubli. Under his leadership, many branches in Karnataka they are opening. Maybe the very purpose, they don't want to marry, they want to remain bachelor. That is the reason they are expanding fast. Correct? Now, can you just throw light on your schemes? Why people should come to your bank?
Good evening to all of you. Thank you MPC and Rotary Club for this opportunity. Bank of Maharashtra, as the name says Bank of Maharashtra, we have one flagship scheme for MSMEs called as Maha Swagatam scheme. In this speciality, Maha Swagatam scheme, what it is, the schemes are there, the products are there. It gives you certain benefits under pricing. The rate of interest starts from 8.4%, and even for non-fund facilities, there are some waiver of processing fees, nil processing fee we take for CMR 1 and 2.
What is this Swagatam?
Maha Swagatam scheme.
What is that Swagatam means?
Maha Swagatam scheme is a scheme for takeover of new and takeover cases.
New also?
Yes.
Not takeover?
Yes. But CMR is must. CMR 1, 2, 3, 4, if you have, it starts from 8.4% and the processing fee is nil. Even if your CMR is 3 or 4, we will be taking the collateral of just 60%. Even collateral can be waived if you have a primary security of more than 135%. That scheme starts at 8.4% and we have benefits for this non-fund facilities like bank guarantee and letter of credit. The other thing I want to tell about, as Canara Bank said and sir from Union Bank said, the GST credit scheme. Bank of Maharashtra is also having the GST credit scheme. The assessment based on the 25%
No
of
CGTMSE?
CGTMSE is there in that, sir. And as Union Bank has launched 50 lakhs, Bank of Maharashtra has also launched recently the GST credit scheme, digital GST credit scheme up to 25 lakhs that can be done including the documentation sitting at your home. One more product of bank, of course, it's the product of the government, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Recently, it has been increased to 20. From earlier limit was 10, it has been gone up to 20. Our bank has digitalized this product for loans up to 10 lakhs. And I am happy that our zone is one of the zone where highest sanctions have taken place under this, sitting at the home. And to be honest, sir, this is a convenience for the customers as well as the bankers.
But please see proper KYC
Yes,
while giving
no,
the
that
loan.
is being happening, sir. It is integration is there with all those things, PAN and all.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let us talk to our most eligible bachelor, and he is representing branch head of SIDBI, Mangaluru. Recently, we should give the big round of, we will, even though SIDBI started in 1990, they have done lot of business. Their work is to only give loan. Other banks, they are giving deposit, cross-selling, all these and all that. SIDBI is only giving loans. That is only for MSMEs. Now they have opened their branch to Mangalore. Why we should come to SIDBI? Do you have any specific schemes, flagship schemes, where people can get attracted? And SIDBI is not a competitor in case of working capital to other banks. It is complementing. So all other banks, they can complement to SIDBI also. Can you just explain about some flagship schemes of SIDBI?
So good evening all. My name is Vaishak. Good evening to all the delegates, and thank you SS Naik sir for having us here. So SIDBI is an all India financial institution just to fund MSMEs, as SS Naik sir told. So we have some of the flagship schemes. We can provide term loan, we provide working capital for purchase of machines, be it purchase of land, construction of building, or purchase of machines. So some of our flagship schemes are, we have a scheme called Express Scheme. In Express Scheme, if it is a existing company having 3 years of operation, the rate of interest will be around 8 to 9%. And apart from that, if the machine is energy efficient, nowadays most of the machines are energy efficient. We have around 896 approved technologies. In case if it is energy efficient, up to 2 CR, SIDBI has a tie-up with Ministry of MSME. We can provide 2% interest subvention on the total term loan percentage of interest. So the net rate of interest that you will get will be 6 to 7% ke beech mein. The collateral in this Express Scheme will be funding 100%. Now suppose the project cost is 1 CR. We will be giving full 1 CR to you. We won't take any mortgage if it's a machinery loan. The only collateral we'll take is 25% FD.
But it is not applicable to new business. 3 years vintage is required.
Yes, for Express 3 years vintage is required. The Express Scheme is only for...
but all other banks, they give for new.
For new, yes. For new, we can give, but the thing is, for new, the total funding we give is 66% and 34% is promoters' contribution. But we have certain specialized schemes for new companies also. If it is a woman-led entrepreneur, 51% of, just like Sir said, if it is 51% or more, if the woman is having the ownership, we can fund up to 75%. And also, there's a scheme called Arjana, which is for women entrepreneurs. Whatever is the outstanding of the loan, if suppose after 1 year the outstanding is 3 CR, 1% of the outstanding will be given to the woman entrepreneur as a compliment from SIDBI said. That is a good part of Arjana scheme. Also, moratorium up to 2 years in Arjana scheme can be provided. And also for SC, ST entrepreneurs, there's a scheme called SATH. For that also, the moratorium that we can provide is up to 2 years. And basically, we can fund up to 100 CR. The only thing is, if it's an existing company, we can fund up to 75% if it is involving land and construction of building. If it is a machinery purchase, we can fund 100% by taking 25% of FD. And that FD also will fetch you an interest of 6.3%, which is quarterly compounding, which comes to around 6.44%. So these are some of the schemes we have.
And solar scheme.
Yeah, so just like Sir told, we have a scheme called Express Green. I already explained that the 2% interest subvention If you are planning to buy any machinery, if you are planning to install solar in your premises, whatever be the rate of interest, you will get a 2% interest subvention from SIDBI's side.
That is under 4E.
That is, we can do it under 4A also, sir. We can do it under Express also. Okay. Suppose some customers, Express is a quick dispensation. Like once you apply, within 1 hour, you will get the sanction mail. In principle, sanction mail. Some customers can't be eligible under that because it's a system process. So if it's not eligible under automatic process, then we do it under 4E. It's a manual process, but under both, we can give 2% interest subvention up to maximum of 2 CR.
Okay.
That is the thing. Thank you.
We were all talking about women entrepreneurs so far. Let us go to a woman banker now. Gayatri Anil Kumar, representing SVC Bank. SVC Bank also very quick in their processing of the loans and reaching out to the customers. Madam, can you highlight some of your flagship schemes?
Good evening, everyone here, and good evening to delegates here on the dais. And we thank SS Naik sir for giving this opportunity to us. So SVC Bank, being a cooperative bank, it is just a name, but we are at par with other banks, nationalized banks.
Are you participating in government-sponsored schemes?
Government-sponsored schemes, we have CGTMSE schemes, sir. So we are giving
PMEGP?
Sorry?
PMEGP?
No, PMEGP we are not participating.
Okay. CGTMSE you are doing?
Yes, CGTMSE we are doing as of
Very
now.
nice. CGTMSE means all of you know, no? You can borrow loans up to 10 crore without collateral security. Whether they give or not is different, but you can. There is a provision up to 10 crore without collateral. Let us give a big round of applause. Even a cooperative bank is participating under CGTMSE scheme.
Yeah, but we have capping of 2 crores, sir, as of now. So up to 2 crores we can give under CGTMSE. So
and you are participating under hybrid also.
Yes, hybrid also.
Remaining up above 2 crore property coverage.
Yeah, we can take under hybrid scheme. Okay. So apart from that, we are also supporting traders. Like we have different schemes for medical equipments, then for chemists. And we have simplified ODAP facility wherein we give up to 85% funding to all traders. Up to 2 crores funding is available. And apart from that, we also have other MSME, like for MSME traders and all. And we have one more scheme called Business Sahai, wherein we give up to 7.5 crore. Up to 15 years of tenure we give the funding. Wherein we
15 years, excellent.
Yeah, we can also include, we can take the
but
partners.
in all other banks, 15 years only for infrastructure projects they give.
Yes, so.
Educational institutions and all infrastructure projects.
So in case the firms cash accruals are not supporting, then we can take the partners, their income for support.
You are one step ahead.
Yes.
Ultimately, money should come back, that's all.
Yes.
With interest.
Yeah, correct.
Your interest to gain interest.
Yes.
Our interest to take more maximum loan.
Yes. And apart from that, we are also focusing on weaker sections. So other like self-help groups and other schemes also we are having. So overall, we are, trying maximum to reach to the business people, sir.
Oh, very, very, very nice. Let us give a big round of applause to being a cooperative sector bank. You are at par with others. Really, we should applaud your efforts. Sir, now MRPL. Can you just brief about how MRPL, you are a mini Ratna, how you are supporting the MSME ecosystem in our coastal Karnataka, and how you are helping through your retail network of pumps and encouraging lot of MSME vendors. Can you just throw light on that?
Sir, basically for MSMEs, especially MSEs actually, the public procurement policy give more emphasis on MSEs rather. As I already told, a lot of benefits were given, especially
that
from
medium industry is not there, micro and small only.
Yes.
But now small up to 500 crores is there.
Exactly.
Turnover up to 500 crores and investment in plant and machinery equipment up to 150 crores.
Yeah,
It is a-
as per the latest circular, I think in May it has been released, the limits of micro, small and medium
with effect from
enterprises.
1st April
1st April
2025. It has been
2025.
changed.
Yes.
And for the purpose of this turnover, export turnover is excluded. Okay. Suppose a company has turnover of 900 crores. Out of that, 500 crore is export, 400 crore is domestic. Then still it is a medium industry.
Now, as many have already told regarding participation of MSCs in our tenders, there is no EMD for MSC vendors, no earnest
Let us
money
give a
deposit.
background on
This is facility which has been extended through Ministry of MSMEs. And as a MRPL, for any tender participation, no MSCs need not pay any kind of earnest money deposits. And 358 items, basically, it is reserved for MSCs. 358 items. That list is available in the website of Ministry of MSMEs, and it is also displayed in our MRPL website. Under MRPL tenders, if you go, there is a list of 358 items that only MSCs can participate. Just general items I can able to tell is like fire extinguishers, bolts and nuts, helmet, hand gloves. So many industrial items are also there, but we have requested Ministry of MSME to include some more items which is coming under industrial purview. And there is a purchase preference is given to MSCs. Suppose, let us say, if the tender is floated and the price bid is opened, and L1 vendor is non-MSC and L2 vendor is a MSC vendor, and if the price of L2 vendor, who is a MSC, falls within 15% bracket, then the preference chance will be given for MSC vendor to match that L1 price. If he can able to match the price, the order will be given to MSC vendor. And also from MRPL side, we are giving 15% relaxation in our tender in prior experience and turnover. Whenever open tender is floated, there is a requirement of prior experience and turnover. For MSC vendor, it is 0.85 times.
Even if their rates are 15% more, you are giving them order.
No, not like that. It is qualification criteria. For example, in order to participate in a particular tender, we are asking a prior experience of worth 10 crore
Then
tender.
one more is there, no? From MSME and other than MSME, if they quote, even
Yes.
if MSME rates are more.
Yes, that's what I told. Purchase preference. Suppose L2 vendor is MSC and L1 vendor is non-MSC, and if the price falls within 15%, then we will be asking them to match L1 price. If he matches, if it is a splittable tender, 50% will be given. 50% to L1 vendor and 50% to the person who has matched that price. And if it is non-splittable, directly the order will be given to MSCs. These are the things. And 15% relaxation. And also, as you told about the payments, we have given a strict guidelines, strict deadline, like within 45 days, the MSC payments to be cleared. And this is being monitored regularly. I am one of the person who will be sending the reports regularly to ministry on every weekly basis.
And one more thing is under section 43BH of the Income Tax Act also, at the end of the March, if any dues to micro and small enterprises more than 45 days, that will be disallowed, and on that they have to pay taxes.
Exactly. So this is also there, and generally we pay them within 15 to 20 days.
Oh, very nice. Let us give a big round of applause to.
And also there is always a champion portal, Sambandh portal,
We will,
Samadhan portal.
Mr. Rudraswamy's area, let us not cover.
And regarding the retail outlet, actually I am not the concerned person from retail side. Basically it is dealt by marketing, but there are a lot of opportunities coming up, because now already we have set up 160 retail outlets, MRPL, and we are planning to cross nearly 500 and even 1000 in the days to come. So we are having very ambitious target on the retail front, and lot of opportunity will come for MSCs in terms of construction of retail outlets,
What
supply
are your
of
products
items.
now in MRP or manufacturing?
Manufacturing, we are having.
You are purchasing crude oil.
We are purchasing crude oil. We sell the diesel, petrol, LPG, all the petroleum products which has been generally used. In addition to that, 6 year in phase 3 refinery expansion, we have gone with the polypropylene. We are using this plastic, that is polypropylene granules, that will be distributed, and we are having a capacity to cater to the entire southern India.
Oh, excellent.
Thank you.
Very, very nice. Thank you. Mr. Rudraswamy, NSIC, what are all the portals? First GEM portal you can just brief, and what are all the other portals which will be helpful for MSME entrepreneur?
As everybody know, GEM government e-marketplace, earlier it is called as a DGSND, now it is changed as a GEM. In that all MSMEs can enroll. Only thing that you have to have your Udyam registration, then your PAN, along with your company details like photographs and specification of your product. If these things are there, you can directly enroll in GEM. And whatever a tender government, almost all government now they are calling in GEM only. Tenders they are calling in GEM. They are procuring minimum quantity, all those things from GEM only. Minimum 5 lakh, 10 lakh, like that they are procuring in through GEM only without calling tenders. So in that you can, GEM if you are registering means automatically if your rate is lower, automatically orders will come to you. And even you can select also. If it is L1 also, if somebody from North India somewhere L1 means you can see which one is nearest, where you can go and approach them. All those things you can see in GEM and you can give an order. Next, another one portal in MSME called as a Sambandh. As portals tells it is a Sambandh. Here what in this portal, what will happen? Opportunities related to MSMEs means any PSU or any government sectors, whatever they want, their tenders regularly, which are all appearing in government websites, all those things will come in Sambandh portal. So it is like once if you are registering it in Sambandh portal, automatically you will get all informations related to all PSUs, state governments also. Then another one is called as Samadhan. Samadhan is, as the name tells, it is in this Samadhan portal, you are having any disputes with any of PSUs or any industries, you can raise your complaint on that portal and you can get it solved. Means that whatever complaint you are registering, it will go to Ministry of MSME. From there it will go, if it is coming under Ministry of MSME, it will come to nearest office which is dealing with that area. And if it is any other department, it will go to other department. And next another one portal called as a champion portal. It is like a grievance redressal. If you are having any problems with any MSME,
we have one problem now. PMEGP portal itself opened after 3 months. Now after opening, people apply, but apply, no reply from government. Bankers are ready to fund. It is undue delay. Some agency problem they are telling that.
PMEGP, sir.
Yeah.
That we have to see.
That is to be redressed because NSIs, you know.
Yeah, once if you are giving any one complaint, we will raise it. Same thing will there. Okay, directly we can't do that.
In champion portal we can complain.
No, if it is for MSMEs, MSME they can complain it.
In champion.
Yeah, champion portal they can complain it.
Okay.
Yeah, they are having any dispute with any PSUs also, they can complain in that champion portal.
Okay. Now our Mr. Sanjay Singh from Canara Bank. Now this, you have told that many schemes, all bankers. Now normal problem is 25% margin, that is the minimum. And women entrepreneur only it is relaxation. Now for first generation other entrepreneurs, do you have any schemes with relaxation in margin money? Can you just brief?
Yes, we are having for startups. Canara Bank is having a specific scheme for 10 lakhs to 10 crore. We can finance and the margin will be around 15%.
Oh, very
and
nice.
the rate of interest also is a very this thing.
Startup
and
means startup registered with the DPIIT portal or MSME new?
MSME new, MSME new.
Okay.
So there is there. And for Stand Up India also, margin for this women and SCSC entrepreneur, margin is around 15. Now it is reduced to 15%. So it is there.
Stand Up India scheme means same. It is a women entrepreneurs or SC/ST entrepreneur. If men went to stand, they should stand up with women with minimum 51%. 15% margin and only green enterprises. Green enterprises means manufacturing, trading or services. Those who want to start new unit. Existing unit expansion, it is not there.
Yes. And government sponsored schemes also we are having. There we are having a PMEGP, that 5% to 15% margin is there. So, and PMFME, 5 and 10% is there. PMFME, there also we are having very less margin, 10%.
Up to 1 crore.
Yes, yes. So like that, margin we are taken care.
Okay.
Right.
Now, Mr. Srinivas Dandapur, many of our borrowers, they have civil issues. Is it right? Civil problem. How many people you have civil problem? Oh, you are all very good borrowers. Okay, no civil problem. But you heard about civil problem? Yes. What is this civil problem? What is the yardstick for bank while funding? And you are checking civil. Now one is personal civil score and another is CMR civil. Can you just brief about that?
Yeah. Since the starting of this conversation, sir started with marriage and all so many other things, married to so and so. So let me tell in the same way.
Now next
So
time
it is
a girl's father will check civil before giving the marriage.
So it is a financial horoscope. So the best meaning is a financial horoscope. And nowadays even while taxi drivers, many drivers and so many people are all very much concerned about civil, because I was traveling and somebody was shouting at one of the customer service executives saying that you are not collected my dues on time. Because of that my civil has gone down. So nowadays that literacy has come, but still many of the people are having problem with civil. One is actually there is a delay in payment, and second is also wrong reporting also, because we have seen in many of the cases that this does not pertain to me and all. Again talking to CIBIL or some other credit bureau and all getting. So first thing is that if it is a wrong reporting, please log into CIBIL website and lodge your complaint. They will immediately solve it. Second thing is that you can take your own CIBIL report and check which bank or which financial institution has actually reported wrongly. I am talking of only wrong reporting as of now. So then you can straight away take it up with those branches and all. And we are having a TAT also to solve this problem. The banks have got a TAT also to solve this wrong reporting problem. And third and most important thing is that what to do to improve the CIBIL. Because nowadays we are getting advertisements also, please consult us for improving your CIBIL and so many other things and all. Now it has become a fashion to CIBIL consultants and all also there. First thing is that please pay dues on time. Second is maintain low credit utilization, mainly in credit cards. Third is longer and clean credit history is always beneficial. Longer and clean credit history is beneficial. Then fourth is avoid multiple loan applications, because now with so many NBFCs giving 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakhs and all instantly and all. So many of the MSMEs are actually applying to these things in multiple tranches, 10s, 20, 30.
What is the minimum CIBIL you expect now? CMR CIBIL how much and personal CIBIL score?
The ideal CIBIL for individual, we say it's a 675. And
you see he is struggling for improving the CIBIL.
Yeah, consultants are there. Okay, and avoid availing multiple short-term loans which are actually might be not actually or sometimes might be a hindrance for your good CIBIL and all. And please pay dues in time. You might be having
suppose CIBIL is already spoiled. Sorry? Suppose one person become fracture. He should not be taken to graveyard. No, he should be taken to hospital, bandage, then set right. Again, it will improve slow. No,
correct.
During that phase, unintentional defaulter. Do you consider as a special case?
Sir, there is a saying: different folks require different strokes. So, even if I am ugly, I will also get a girl and get married. Correct, no? Either me or some other NBFCs or somebody else will finance, and definitely wherever there are genuine reasons and all. banks, including our bank and even other banks, are also actually help and supporting these things. And mainly, this is a risk-reward matrix will be there. So more the risk, the reward will be more. So definitely, but ideal thing is that better to have a good CIBIL or credit score. Instead of saying credit CIBIL, I can say good credit score.
Narasimha Kumar, you want to add something on CIBIL? How much is the minimum CIBIL expectation?
Yeah, as sir rightly told that, 675 actually. So below that, there is no.
Suppose the old, some 10-year, 20-year back, many people have taken loan, personal loan, credit card and all. मालूम नहीं ये engage में बहुत गलती करता है. So you should give second chance.
There is no hard and fast rule that we
But
have to.
they suppose some, see, they charge 34%, 36%, 48%, and then they show the write-off. But you take it is write-off, we can't take. That is our problem.
No, sir,
if it is most old cases.
Sir, bankers, we understand the practical difficulties of the customers. 10 years old credit card write-off, we usually ignore while assessing
Okay,
the
other
loan.
write-off, personal loan and all.
Sir, other
Some
write-off.
banks are, the bankers and NBFCs who have given the loan, they are also not existent sometimes.
Correct.
Such loans, what to do?
Sir, there is no hard and fast rule that, we have to not to lend to the persons below certain CIBIL scores.
But it will
Only
go
the
to higher
delegation varies, that's all. So we will take a calculated risk and we will see the potential of the customer and definitely we will sanction. But only thing is that the delegation will be the next higher authority. So that is the thing.
Okay. Next, our Kanade is expert in credit itself. What are the financial discipline from customers you expect?
See, other speakers have already spoken about the importance of CIBIL, the how to maintain the CIBIL score. So one of the financial parameters which we see is in case of MSMEs, as you know, MSMEs are just like a newborn baby. It has to be nurtured properly. So for MSMEs, they have
बाप
to,
को time नहीं क्या
yes,
करेंगे?
what have to manage their financials very well. Especially they should desist from diversion and all those things. If they maintain very good financial discipline, it has its own rewards. We subject all MSCs for internal risk rating. If they are maintaining a very good financial discipline, be it the ratios, the operation of the accounts, if there are any the absence of check returns, they will be rated very high rated, and pricing will also be decided on the basis of rating. So it has own its benefits. Definitely MSMEs had huge challenges as far as their working capital and all, but nowadays with the advent of new technologies, so many ways are there. So they have to monitor their financial discipline very well. It has its own benefits. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Suchit, what do you expect from borrowers? What are all disciplines?
See, just to add one point on CIBIL, especially CMR, if you are having a CMR of 7, 8, it is not end of the story. You can improve it by maintaining your discipline at least for next 3 months or 6 months.
Non-renewal of the CC limit.
That is also a reason. That is also a reason. But it can be rectified. We have seen many clients when we see the CMR, it will be 7 or 8. Our branch managers will lift their hand, sir, nahi kar sakte. That is true. That is true. But how it can be rectified by maintaining this discipline, by maintaining the repayment, it will improve. We have seen practical cases where CMR from 7, 8, it has come down to CMR 3, 2 also. Okay, that is not the end of the story. But as borrowers, what bankers will expect from borrowers is mainly the repayment discipline. Nowadays, this SMA 012 concept, it's very important, and we as borrowers also must know about this. You are getting messages, you are getting mails about these repayments, but a day due also it will be reported to the CIBIL. Repayment, we should have the discipline to pay before the due date. And second thing is routing of the transactions. routing of the transactions. You may be having the working capital account, you may be having the OD limit, or you may be having the CC account. Route all your business transactions through that.
And submission of stock statement
Yes,
on time.
submission of
And
stocks.
interest always debits midnight when you sleep. Interest will be debited to your CC account. Don't tell that I was sleeping. Next day I will pay the dues. No, you know that interest will be debited beforehand itself. You should keep the provision for interest. Correct, no?
Yes.
Okay. That will also spoil the CIBIL. Now, Mr. Vizag, when any customer walks in, are you giving loan or some parameters? Are you doing risk rating? If it is so, what are the risk rating?
So whenever a customer comes to us, the first thing we see is if it's a new company, we'll see the experience of the promoter. In case it's an existing company, their financials play a major role. So we have our own risk rating. So the parameters are, one is a CIBIL, and CIBIL, what we do
What
is
is the minimum CIBIL and maximum?
Sir, it is CMR 1 to 6. But in case if it is CMR 7, 8, 9, we can fund it if it is a technical reason.
Okay.
Be it delay in
Good.
working capital enhancement or working capital renewal, we can do it if it's a technical reason.
Correct.
And CIBIL for consumers, minimum is 675, but an approval can be taken up to 650. And then there is a GST return score called Jokata score, which also gives a parameter in the risk rating. And then there's a growth in sales, gross cash accruals, growth in net profit, growth in cash profit, your debt equity ratio. So these are some of the parameters that we see.
Okay.
And accordingly, you will get a rating and the rate of interest.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I think in 6 months over, your branch is open.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much business you did?
So now we have 20 customers. We are having 12 crore of outstanding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the branch was opened on November 11th. And the manager earlier had some health issues.
No. That don't tell negative points. You are only positive. Civil score down है तो काम नहीं होता है.
Sir, ऐसा नहीं है. If it's a
अभी आपका branch का civil score down हो गया फिर. Okay. Now we will in this forum let us request all the entrepreneurs also to approach you to increase your balance sheet size to 100 crore.
Thank
Correct,
you,
no?
sir. Thank you.
We wish that you will hit a century.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Now Gayatri, over to Gayatri. Now what is your just sum up now this town hall, this. Can you just sum up what are all the positive points and what are all the expectation from customer, what are the expectation from the bankers? Just sum up.
So I think majority of you all wanted to know like what is the bankers' expectation, and also customers also what is their requirement. So how we bankers can meet the customers' requirement, and what is the best possible products available.
Everybody wants overnight money.
Yes.
Correct. Now speed.
Yes, everybody wants overnight, and what are the best products?
Speed thrills but kills.
Yes.
But not borrowers,
Yes.
lenders. Okay.
And how the customer has to maintain their CIBIL score, how to improve it, and what are the parameters that banks look at. That has also been told here. So I think it is a win-win situation for both the customers as well as the bankers.
Okay. Let us now, you all heard from our esteemed bankers. Let us hear from customers. Some few questions are permitted, but no silly questions. I went to branch manager, he didn't offer me tea, he didn't smile at me. All these small things you forget. Okay. Some major, any issues are there, please let us know.
Hello. Sir, myself Murali, I am from Bangalore. I am actually a cement sales promoter as well as RMC. I have one RMC unit in Bangalore. And what a struggle I have faced during the establishment of first RMC plant at Bangalore on mine in Vaskote. And this RMC plant I have put for Adani Group. Adani ACC Cement. Now
let your questions be very brief because answers also will be brief.
Yes.
Your questions should be within 30 seconds.
This was an agreement between me as well as Adani Group.
Okay.
And we have a minimum guarantee quantity for that production unit as well.
Okay.
But it was a first that, my firm is a newly registered private limited company. Then for that finance, I literally asked all the bankers, I couldn't get the finance. And I want to answer from this donor.
Why you cannot come to me? There are Purohitas. If you directly go to them, see, when you are a new entrepreneur, you should give your, and you should present.
One more
Whether
thing.
your loan repayment will be prompt, whether you can achieve your turnover. As in the morning, our GM Manjunath also told. What are the expectations?
In that contract itself, it is mentioned that fixed income 11.25 lakhs will be credited.
Now
to
the
us.
problem is solved or yet to be solved?
I mean, like first unit, I have begged for one investor in outside the bank. Then they have invested for machinery.
Now your problem is solved or still problem is there?
Not yet solved. I am planning for one more unit, and I need some support from
We
your
will
side.
solve, otherwise we will resolve. Don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next.
Regarding
Can you say who are you and what is your
I'm
business?
Director Anivari Agriculture and Allied Services Private Limited.
You are having cold storage.
Yeah, I'm having a cold storage. In the morning session, Modi sir told about big, big profile people can enter into the cold storage establishment.
Correct.
I'm running the cold storage from last 10 years. I faced several problems.
Which place?
In Kadur, Chikmagalur district.
Okay.
See, this major problem is Karnataka Bank earlier it was giving Krishik Bandar scheme. Under that, their empaneled cold storages, they were giving a loan. So directly to the farmers through the cold storage owners. Now I think they've stopped it, I think. And any other banks which are, because the problem, the major cold storage is...
Those who come and pledge their goods,
yes.
against that they are giving the loan.
The major intention of the government is to set up the cold storage is to support the farmers to hold their produce till they get the better price. Here the problem is no government is supporting the farmers to lend the loan. So in turn actually some banks are interested to lend the loan through the cold storage owners by taking a collateral from the cold storage owner. So is there any bank is now continuing that or is there any proposal?
It's basically warehouse receipts, no, sir. Funding against warehouse
Yeah,
receipts.
but now they stopped it, I think. They are not.
No, it has to be registered with that WTR and one more authority is there. If that is registered, it is given.
No, apart from that, they will get a collateral from the cold storage owner.
Then it is very good.
But they stopped it.
No, first thing is that our sympathy and sorry any inconvenience has caused to you. If that product is not there, some other product will serve your requirement. Definitely we'll connect with you. Since you said that you are already our customer, we'll connect with you and find out which other product or our mother of all skin KVL MSME is there, that whether we can fit in there. Because financial needs are nothing but how we restructure any loan is more important. That we'll discuss with you personally, sir.
Any other questions? Only other two questions now.
Sir, you are having a lot of schemes for penalizing in case of some non-compliance, late submission of report and all those things. I would like to ask you, for the complying customers, do you have any incentive schemes? Those who really pay on time and do all the reporting on time, do you give them some incentives?
What was the question?
Yeah. Well, I am MD Prabhu here. Are you answering to his question?
First will be the reduction of the rate of interest. Okay, all complying customers and well-paying, promptly paying customers, their internal rating will automatically be improved, and at the time of renewal, you will be upgraded and your rate of interest will definitely come down. And that is one thing. Second thing is that compliant customer will not be penalized with the penal interest. That is the biggest incentive.
Yes.
Yeah. MD Prabhu here. First of all, I would like to congratulate Rotary Mangalore Central for the excellent program they have conducted. I being a fellow Rotarian from Bangalore. Secondly, I would like to thank Sanket Naik. Basically, I am a startup founder in Bangalore. My entire project, right from preparation of DPR, GST registration, funding, everything was done within a span of 25-26 days net. With the funding from UBI, good people to bank with. So thanks UBI also for that. I would like to ask the UBI people, are you on with CLCS scheme now? Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme.
For the time being, it is discontinued. It is not their scheme. It is a central government scheme.
Yes.
Credit linked subsidy scheme is not there. General subsidy can be taken, but Bangalore city, it is no subsidy is there. You have to do in Mangalore, we will support.
My
Or
second,
outside Bangalore rural you can do, Kolar you can do.
yeah. My second request is to Modi ji. I don't know whether he is present over here. The PMEGP scheme, which lot of enquiries we are coming, become member, subscribe for that and everything. We have subscribed for that, but unfortunately the PMEGP portal itself is not functioning.
Correct, correct. That is the problem everywhere.
Yeah, now if the
Now
portal
if
is not...
our MP is the chief guest in evening award ceremony, if he comes then we will discuss that. Because he has to represent finance minister.
Yeah, I would request Modi ji or some other officials, government officials who are present, if it is not functioning, if it is portal is not functioning, kindly refrain from asking people to subscribe to that.
Correct, correct, correct.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for giving a lot of insights.
Yeah.
So my question is...
Your name please?
Sinchana. I'm Sinchana Urubail from Puttur.
Sorry?
Sinchana Urubail from Puttur.
Okay, what are you are into?
I'm from Arivu Enterprises.
Okay. Today I think more than 60 Arivu, through Arivu I think more than 60 participants are here. Let us give a big round of applause. They are giving lot of dissemination. Arivu means giving knowledge, sharing knowledge. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅರಿವು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಹರಿವು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
So ನನ್ನ question to the Union Bank of regarding the Nari Shakti Yojana, you said you have Nari Shakti branches exclusively, one of the branches in Bangalore. Yes. So do we need to visit the Nari Shakti branch for the loan or any...
Madam, that is the branch specifically designed for the woman entrepreneur for that area.
Oh, okay.
Nari Shakti loans are available on all the 9,000 branches of Union.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮನೋಹರ್ ಅಂತ ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ. ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ. ಸರ್ ನಂದು PMEGP ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ 1.5 ಮಂತ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅಪ್ರೂವಲ್ ಕೂತಿದೆ. ಅದು ಬಂದೇ 2 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸರ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಸರ್ನೂ ಫಾಲೋಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಚಾನ್ಸು ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Definitely, sir. Actually, I think first time I am talking to you. ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ PMEGP ಅದೇ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂಚೂರು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ಮೈಸೂರು ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈಸೂರು ರೀಜನಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ
ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್, 2 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಿವಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Good evening, sir. It's Faisal Qazi from Bangalore Steel Traders. I have the question to Union Bank. Actually, the annual function, like the last year, I had the same question, but you said that it will be resolved. About the ESI payments in your portals from Union Bank to ESI people.
No, it is not a Union Bank problem. It is all the ESI portal
Not even
problem.
ESI. In GST also, we had got returned back to my bonds back to my account. Whenever, because we are getting the interest unnecessarily, we are paying on time, correct. And we are getting actually interest of no goods. So
one suggestion is that if it is last date, don't try. When you pay salary, same day you pay ESIC.
We are second day of that due, second day of every month we used to do.
You should take care of that. They will take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think it is the time to now wind up this MSME town hall session. Before I close, I would like to give a concluding remark. Okay. Now schemes are plenty. Banks are also plenty. But when customers go to the branches, really they are concerned about addressing the borrowers. Because all the banks, their most funded product is car loan and housing loan. When it comes to MSME loan, many of the branch managers, they are not well equipped with that products and they are having some aversion to fund. in this direction, of course, you may have very good schemes, but it should reach out to the customers. That's why one small from Chanakya Niti, I would like to say, Re Re Chataka Mitra Savadhana Masa Kshanam Shruyatam Ambodaha Bahavai Santi Sarvepi Naitadrishaha Yam Yam Pashyasi Tasya Tasya Purataha Mabruhi Dinam Vachaha. ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ ಚಾತಕ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಂತೆ. ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮೋಡದ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಂತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಾರೋವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ಸುಕರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದಿ MSMEs customers. That's why any of your proposal you can give it to them. They are here to dispose the application based on the merit expeditiously and let us give a big round of applause to all the bankers. One thing I will tell you, there are many new generation private sector banks. I don't blame them. They don't entertain you when you go initially you start the business. Once you grow, after 3 years balance sheet, they will come to you and they will tell, we will lend at a lesser rate of interest, we will charge you lesser this. Don't carried away by these small benefits. Okay? So, always be loyal to your institution. More and more the number of years, if you continue with the same institution, your credit score in the bank's books will increase. Other than that credit score, that is the thing. Then, last I will tell you, bridges and walls are built with the same material. Bridges connect the people, walls divide the people. Here, all the bankers, they are building bridges between policy makers and you stakeholders. Let us give a big round of applause to all the bankers for coming here and disseminating their schemes and products and addressing all the issues. Thank you very much. Over to MC. Yashaswini.
Thank you very much for that insightful session. As a token of a sincere gratitude for your valuable time and contribution, please accept a token of appreciation.
Mr. Ramarao and Mr. Bhaskar Rai, please you can honor our this and Shiva Prakash also.
Shri Ganesh Bandari, GM Materials MRPL. Shri Srinivas S. Dandapur, DGM Credit, Karnataka Bank. Shri Ramesh Kannade, DGM Bank of Baroda, Zonal Office, Mangalore. Shri Narasimha Kumar R, DGM and RH, Union Bank of India, Mangalore. Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, AGM, Canara Bank. Shri Suchet D'Souza, ZM, Bank of Maharashtra, Hubballi. Shri Vaisag M. Nair, Assistant Manager, SIDB. Shri H. Rudraswamy, BM, NSIC, Belagavi. Srimati Gayatri Anil Kumar, BM, SVC, Mangalore. Please join me in applauding our esteemed speaker for their wonderful session.
ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆ 1,000 ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳುಳ್ಳ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ. ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಸೇವೆಗೆ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, ಕ್ಯಾತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಡಯಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, IVF, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ICU,